Guys, I didn't turn the videotape on because I didn't want y'all to see me struggling, trying to remember where's the damn bolts that goes in here. And I looked everywhere for them because I only put my bolts in two places. I either put them in that container there or put them up there. I knew it would be 6 of them together, but I could not find them. I found these 6, but they say tensioner. And I'm like, damn, I don't remember these bolts called tensioner. Anywho, I tried to screw them in, it wouldn't fit. And I'm almost positive it's these. Damn it. So what is it today, Hannah? Well, I think it's these. So, why didn't I put them in a bag? I did put 3 of them in a damn bag, but I can't figure out why I didn't put the other 3 in the bag. Oh well. Hell, I was going to go to pull apart and take some off another engine. But I knew I had the bolts because I don't throw stuff away, especially bolts. Now, these are 10mm bolts. How much torque do you think I'm gonna put on them? Oh, somebody left a comment and said, why do I get mad with people because people want to follow the book? I don't get mad when people follow the book. I get mad when people who don't know what the hell they're doing try to preach to me about following the book when they don't understand it. That's what I get mad about. All right, now, again, how much torque do I put on these bolts? They're 10mm bolts, and like I always say, you don't torque 10mm bolts. That's all I'm putting on. All right, so I think I'm done with this head. I need to turn the thing around and do the other head. But first I want to pick out this little, I don't know what the hell it is, stuff that came off the damn bolts when I tightened them up. It's like a gasket or something. But hell, it probably wouldn't work, matter. Because it just get washed down to the oil thing, get stuck up by the filter. Yeah, I doubt they stop up anything. All right, we're gonna get the head gasket. We shouldn't have a problem torquing these bolts down because all these bolts were fine from the get-go. All right, this is gonna be the first Fel Pro head bolt that goes in. Guess I'll put it in the middle. You know, I don't have to put glue on these because they come already glued. That should be enough glue. think I got to start with my finger. I just want to make sure. You know how fragile these Northstar threads are. So I want to make sure the damn bolt is down in there before I put pressure on it. Yeah, these bolts ain't rocking as bad as the other one. Alright, we are switching to the torque wrench, and we're going to start off with 40 pound-feet of torque. Start in the middle. Come on, release me, itch. So why am I doing 40 pound-feet of torque at first? Because, again, these Cadillac threads got me scared. I'm not worried about the Velcro bolts. I've used Velcro bolts before on my Tahoe. I think I did. Did I do these? Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna jump up to 50. All right, start in the middle again. Damn it. That one is always a bitch. Now, to answer your question, why am I doing 50 pound-feet of torque? Because I don't think you need more than 50 pound-feet of torque. Damn. Did I do these? I think I did. Yeah. So, what about all that? Put 30 pound-feet of torque, then turn it so many degrees this way, turn it so many degrees that way. Whatever. I can show you, but I tell you. Because if this don't work, they will leak. I don't think they're gonna leak. By the way, when I put them in, I take my finger and go like that. Oh, I'm sorry. When I put them in, I take it and go like that and it turn loose. I'm gonna use the bear wrench by itself to get it started. When I'm sure they started, you know, the thing is this. The office always overdo stuff. And the office always overdo stuff. Even my company. My company, some years ago, thought that, well, the government said that if truck driver drove 60 miles per hour, it would be safer, the road would be safer. These are very thin bolts. You don't torque thin bolts. I'm trying to blow out this damn, I don't know what the hell, it's like a, I don't know, gasket stuff on the damn heads. I don't feel like trying to pick this crap out. You come off the bolts. I don't know what the hell that is. Some gasket stuff. I mean, it probably ain't gonna do anything if you drop in the oil. I mean, it ain't gonna jam up nothing. I just ain't looking at it. I think it's like a lubricant. You know how some company want you to lubricate the head of the bolts to get proper torque, whatever. I think it's bull crap. And I'm not, a lot of stuff I think is bull crap. Because a lot of stuff is bull crap. Like I said, the people in the office, they the one who went to college. You know, last night when I was editing, I was transferring my video from the camera to my laptop, I realized something. I put the damn valve cover on and I haven't put the damn timer set on yet. Isn't that special? So I got to take the damn valve cover back off and hook the timer set up. So I'm not gonna film that again. I'm just gonna stop the video and I will start the video when I start putting the timing components on, which means I gotta go back in the house because I forgot to bring them. All right, I don't know if I mentioned in another video, but this is the timing set I bought off of eBay. I was gonna get it from AutoZone, but it was pretty much the same name. I think it was Advanced Auto, had the exact same name. So I decided to get it from them. I mean, I decided to get it on eBay because I think it was cheaper on eBay. But anyway, this is think this is the main gear, crankshaft gear. Not too close to y'all. I'm going to make sure I get close enough for y'all to see, because it seems like on camera you can't really see. But I guess I need to take this off. Let's bring the big dog out. I don't even feel like playing around. Sucking on, is it? Hell, it's on one, and it took it off. Hell. At least I thought that's the gear. Yeah. All right, so I think that's the gear. If something goes on before that, turn this over. Okay, that's in the top position. Yeah, I think that's in the top position. Let me take this off. And I think this goes on next. I'm hoping the teeth wasn't damaged on this thing when I put all that torque on it. All right, this does not matter from my understanding where it goes. And then something goes on before that too. Either I put it on backwards. Going backwards. Yeah, I did. Damn sure did. Because that's the lineup mark right there. And we are off. Come on. Excuse me, it's my first time doing this. It goes on like that. Yeah, now the teeth lines up. And I think I need to put that, pulley on first. I mean the chain on first. Damn, hope y'all can see. Yeah, I think that's how that works. This right here, it doesn't really matter where it goes, from my understanding, I don't think. All right, we got timing chain 05E. Yeah, this one 05E. And this one is 05E. What the hell is 05E means? It comes in a package like this. I guess this is the short one. Ooh, I was getting worried there for a second. I'm like, man, these chains look too small. Well, I guess we're gonna put this one on first. Start this off. Again, I'm winging this. I don't really know what I'm doing. I mean, this is my first time putting a timing chain on a Northstar. You know, I put one on the 350. Alright, so main thing we gotta do is line this back up. Come on, chimichanga. All right, got that on. Okay, now I'm gonna put the bolt in here. Now, how much torque do you put on this bolt? And they probably want you to put some Loctite on it too. But I don't even think I got Loctite. I'm gonna use this one. Actually, I should have waited until I'm gonna tighten that up tighter when I think it goes. Oh, I know. It go like this. Yeah. It goes like that. At least I think it does. It's got to go like that, because it ain't gonna fit like this. So it has to go like that. Luckily I labeled those 6 tensioner bolts, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where the hell are those? Oh crap.